Thanks for choosing MBBS Counsel. We provide MBBS admission counseling guidance for future doctors. After watching this video, you would know how to get the best medical college for your NEET score using MBBS Counsel Android app. You will get to know what details are available in this app, which will put you ahead of others who are participating in All India counseling as well as state counseling. Three things are essential to become a successful doctor. First and foremost is the strongest desire to become a doctor. Second thing is discipline in studies, which will get you a great NEET score. And the last and final one is effective college choice selection during the MBBS admission counseling. If you have the first two and looking for counseling guidance, then this MBBS Counsel app will help you to get the best medical college for your NEET score. Last year, we have guided more than 65,000 students and parents during MBBS admission counseling. Many students miss their medical dream and are currently studying engineering or other courses because students as well as parents did not know the low fees MBBS options available in other states. There are 4 options to get MBBS seat as per Medical Council of India regulations. For all these 4 options, NEET score is mandatory. The first option is to participate in All India Quota Counseling, which is conducted by Medical Counseling Committee for approximately 12,500 MBBS seats. Tuition fees for these medical colleges range between Rs 1,000 per year to Rs 26 lakhs per year. Do you know All India Institute of Medical Science, which is known as AIIMS, charges only Rs 1,350 as tuition fees per year? If you want to know tuition fees details for all medical colleges in India, you can find that in this MBBS Counsel app for government quota as well as management quota. The second option is to participate in state counseling of your native state. The total seats which comes under state quota depends on the number of medical colleges in your respective state. Tuition fees for these medical colleges range between Rs 6,000 per year and Rs 40 lakhs per year. 6,000 is tuition fees for Delhi Government College and 40 lakhs per year is the tuition fees for one of the leading Karnataka private medical college. The third option is to participate in direct college counseling. Nearly 90% of the NRI quota seats will be unfilled after the mop-up round counseling. Also, 15% medical seats in every deemed university and private colleges are available as NRI seats, which comes under 5,500 NRI MBBS seats. But less than 1,500 NRI students were qualified in the last year NEET exam. As there are very few takers, these seats are converted to management quota seats by the respective private medical colleges and are filled by the college itself as management quota. You need to directly approach the concerned medical college for direct admission. Do not wait till the last minute. Approach them as early as possible, as some medical colleges may expect additional fees apart from the tuition fees. The fourth and the final option is to study MBBS abroad. Even though more than 10,000 Indian students go to foreign countries to study MBBS every year, only few abroad medical colleges have good MCA passing ratio. You need to be extra cautious in choosing abroad medical college because you have to pass the foreign medical graduates examination in order to practice in government as well as private hospitals. Tuition fees for abroad medical colleges range between Rs 2.5 lakhs per year to Rs 7 lakhs per year. Let's see who needs to install this app. If you are looking for MBBS admission, then MBBS Counsel app will help you to know the last year NEET cutoff details for all medical colleges under All India quota as well as state quota. You can also find all the important information such as the total number of PG courses, average outpatients per day, total inpatient beds, college ranking, etc., which will help you to determine quality of the medical college. This will help you during counseling to get the best medical college for your NEET score. You can also predict medical college for your NEET score and All India rank using this app. For parents, it will help you to understand the counseling process for All India quota as well as state quota. Also, it is important for the parents to know the affordability along with knowing the quality of medical college. This MBBS Council app will give you the tuition fees details for various quota and low fees options available in private colleges in your state as well as other states. Also, you can ask your doubts to the counselors and other parents who are participating in the state counseling from your native state. This is how the cutoff details are displayed in the MBBS Council app. In the cutoff details, AIQ denotes All India quota. MNQ denotes management quota in deemed universities. SQ represents state quota and MQ represents management quota in private medical college. NRI denotes NRI quota. After the quota, reservation category is displayed. This varies from state to state. For Tamil Nadu, BC denotes backward class, BCM denotes backward class Muslim, and MBC denotes most backward class. SC denotes scheduled caste and ST denotes scheduled tribes. After reservation category comes the counseling round. MBBS admission counseling happens in 2 to 3 rounds. Any unfilled seat after the first round allotment is filled during the second round counseling and so on. To determine your chance to get a medical college, you should always check the last round of counseling cutoff. During last year, Tamil Nadu State Counseling, 2 rounds of counseling were conducted for government medical colleges. That's why you see only up to round 2. For every reservation category, you can find the cutoff details of the last student who got into that medical college. AIR denotes All India rank, SR denotes state rank, and CR denotes community rank. Under BC category, All India rank 16,939 was the last student who got into Stanley Medical College last year. The corresponding NEET score was 568. His state rank was 337 and BC community rank was 232. This is for the first round. For second round, you can see the details here. Tamil Nadu state government releases NEET merit list ranking for MBBS as well as BDS admissions. From the merit list, you can find out your state ranking as well as your community ranking. Apart from the cutoff details, you can find other important college details such as age of the college, number of PG courses, tuition fees, patients per day, total beds, All India student preference ranking as well as state student preference ranking, along with a campus tour video. During choice filling, it is important to know the ranking of medical colleges based on various important factors which decides the quality of the medical college. MBBS Council app gives various ranking for medical colleges based on the details collected during the inspection done by the Medical Council of India for approval. Ranking is also available based on the tuition fees to help the parents to decide the affordability of medical college. Now comes the most important question. How much do I need to pay for availing this service? For students who are looking for government colleges, it is absolutely free. In free subscription, you can check out 5 college details or cutoff every day. If you exhaust your daily quota, you can check out for more colleges the next day. If you refer your friends who are studying in your NEET coaching center or school who are interested to study MBBS, you can increase your daily limit to 10 colleges per day. This is sufficient for majority of the students who have time to explore after completing the NEET exam. For parents who do not have much time to check out this information from internet, Gold subscription enables them to check 100 government college details per day. Apart from this, they can clarify their doubts with the counselors and other parents who are participating in the counseling for government colleges. A parent needs to pay Rs 360 to avail this service. For parents who are looking for low fees private medical colleges, Platinum subscription helps them to find out the best private medical colleges under state quota and management quota, which are affordable depending on their NEET score. This service charges rupees 960. If you are looking for direct MBBS admission guidance to effectively participate in MBBS admission counseling and clarify doubts regarding choice filling, to know low fees private college options available outside your state within your budget, you can opt for Diamond subscription service. The charges for this service is rupees 12,000. You need to pay rupees 3,960 for the service now and pay the remaining 8,040 rupees after you get MBBS admission order. If you have not installed MBBS Council Android app, you can search MBBS Council in Google Play Store. If you have any doubts regarding the app, you can either comment below or send it through Telegram app number 638-208-8809. If you like this video, please cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. Hope to see you in the MBBS Council app. Thank you.